Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on a new project, well actually the second video of this, and it's called Move the Switch. It goes via the robo interface, up motor and then moving a switch. And as it indicates, this one is controlled by software. And last time I had a severe problem getting the software running, and actually I still have, which I will show you later on, but I had to upgrade the system. Then it suddenly solved all problems, and right now I'm stumbling into same kind of problems again, mysteriously. So what I can do is solving the problems on the software side, but also getting a power supply from fischertechnik and then focus on the motor moving back and forth and then move the switch. So it's a two-parter and let's see how far we get. First, on the software side, well, obviously I have the camera connected to the computer, then the source code, which I want to run. But then, when I started the first time, I could not install the whole driver system. Well, that has been improved because I can. And that is after upgrading the whole laptop from Fedora 39 to 40. And then I could install it and it worked. Well, I had to do some more stuff, but I got it working. Then I have to be able to open interface, this interface. And then it says, cannot open the shared object file. Well, I have had that before, so it should be solvable. But then something else happens. A problem that I didn't foresee, because when I decided to reinstall the whole thing, to get everything installed nicely, it once again said I cannot find Python. And just after the upgrade to Fedora 40, it could find Python fine, and I have done nothing wrong since, or nothing else since. So that's a mystery, a big mystery. But in the end, well, the interface has been installed. I just can't use it. So I can't test this simple code, and that's a problem. So how do I make it find Python? And how do I solve this one? I'm afraid that's for another time, because I want to get the motor running, which is right here. Well, obviously I cannot use the software yet. So I'm going to get the power supply and see if I can get something running with that, moving these wires from the interface to the power supply. Let's see how that works out. Right, that's it. Solved quite a few problems. So the diagnostic interface is definitely working. Opening and then selecting the interface. And you can clearly hear and see it work. Then I have to disable the interface to run the program. And that works as well. So those two things have been solved. What not been solved, unfortunately, like I showed, is the switch, but that's for another time. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you do, and if you don't, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. If you are already a paying member, thank you for being a member. And if you're not, please support this channel very much appreciated. You can also support for one time via PayPal or Ko-fi. For now, have a nice day, take care, and to be continued. Bye.